In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a poster less than 1 minute with the help of Venngage. You don't need any design or writing prompt skills. So let's continue. Alright, so here I am instead of the free AI poster generator by Venngage. Now, as I have said in the previous episode, one thing that I like about the Venngage is that you can use simple prompt text to generate something that is actually good. So for example, in here, I'm just gonna make a, for example, a poster for a company's team building events. So this is just simple. I really didn't give the any extra prompt, so let's just hit on generate. So I really like even though I explained less, as you can see, the image is really related to the prompt that we have wrote. And one thing that I really like about this design is that take a look at the font and the hierarchy. So let's just click on customization, so we can go inside of the Venngage. So for example, take a look at it here. As you see, the CRIP rule in here, the AI just applied it immediately. We have the repetition in the elements. We have the alignment. Everything is aligned in the middle. We have the contrast between the elements, as you have seen, and also the proximity of the elements are also correct. So even if we want to change something, as I have said before, we can just immediately change that, and also AI will suggest the colors that were previously used. So for example, if we want to edit the image, we can just use it into the grayscale and we can change it. So as you see, everything in here is super straightforward and really fast. And even if you don't have any design knowledge skill, you can just take up and continue making posters and everything that you want with just one simple prompt. So I really advise you to check out the website and share it with a friend that you think needs this tool. So here we are at the end of this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave out a like and subscribe to the channel, as it would help me out a lot. Thank you so much. Goodbye.